Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have been missing for a while and I want you to know I've not been sick. No one in my family has been sick, but we have just been busy. I have been crafting and we have been putting down some new floors, so I had to move furniture and do all kinds of stuff. But anyway, I put together some kits that I want to offer you today. I have been destashing. So I've just collected a lot of stuff over the last couple of years, really. And I want to show you what all is going to be in this kit. So we've got some black lace, and listen, every kit is going to be similar, but they're not identical. I just pulled one at random. I have 10 kits ready to go. And like I said, they're all very, very similar. They all have almost the same thing, but maybe not identical. Okay, so look at this gorgeous. This is my favorite color right here. I love, love, love this turquoise looking lace. So I've added some lace pieces. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? I don't know if you can see that real good in that light, but this is a pale pink. It looks kind of white on the film, but it's actually a pale pink. It's gorgeous. Let me adjust that light a little bit and see if that'll help. Okay, now let's see what else we've got in here. More lace. Here's some coffee dyed lace that I did. Here is some beautiful cotton eyelet lace. Isn't that awesome? Here's little pieces of pale blue. This is pale green. It may not look it in the photo, in the film, but that's a pale green that I dyed myself. Let's see, I've added some eyelash yarn that we all just love to use. So many uses for the eyelash yarn. I like to put it behind a flower, like when I'm doing a little paper flower or something. I like to put it behind there and just add a little frou-frou to it. For instance, say this flower right here, I might take some of that gold and I'd just kind of make a little circle behind it and put that down on there. See, and it just adds a little frou-frou edge to it. So I've also added this paper flower and lace flower that I made. There's some pom-pom trim that's got some beautiful beads hanging in there. And look at this. Oh my gosh. Now look, you can hang this down the edge of your junk journal cover or one of the pages. It's just so much fun. Here's some beads that I have added, just some pearls. Let's see. Oh, and snippet strips. Y'all know me and my snippet strips. That's hard to say this early in the morning. These are snippet strips that I have just put together, and you can see I've sewed two together, but I just left them connected in case you might want them that. Large pieces, small pieces, short, fat pieces. Look at this. This is a snippet strip, actually. And I think, let's see, this is eyelash yarn and some regular fuzzy yarn and some just all kinds of trims and stuff I added in there. Okay, so all that is coming in the kit, all this lace. Plus, I am adding all these paper goods. Now, let's see if I can find a place to put the paper goods so you can see. So I've got, this is a beautiful sheet of deli paper. It makes the most wonderful pages. I love this stuff. And then I've got just these little cards with just positive quotes on those. Nothing ugly, always sweet. Some little cards here, blank cards, tags. And look at this. I've made some envelopes out of maps, map pages. Here's some tags I made out of map pages. I'm adding a gorgeous rose napkin for decoupage. Here are some pieces of corrugated scrapbook paper. Look at this. Look at this. Avocado dyed paper. Oh, I hope you can see how pink that is. It really is quite pink. It may not look it in the film. Coffee dyed paper that I did. Got some great designs on there. There are all kinds of assorted book pages. I think they're all upside down. Let's turn it. All kinds of book pages. It's got scriptures. It's got quotes. It's got songs on it. I love to use these kind of things in my journals because they're very encouraging. I have some French to English, English to French dictionary pages, very old. See how yellowed those edges are? Isn't that great? Don't you love those old books like that? I've got just botanical. Look how old this is, guys. I think this one was 1974 or something like that. I've got, and these, I don't know if you've ever thought about using these, but these are like cross stitch books. These make the coolest backgrounds for your pages and different things. Look at that. So, and then we've got quotes, more quotes in here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Is that beautiful? Now this you can use colored pencils on if you want to, or you could watercolor. It's a heavy paper, pretty heavy. You could watercolor. Look at these gorgeous. Look, 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 look. Love it, love it, love it. Then we've got song pages, just multiple song page, music pages that you can use. Here's more music pages. And then these gorgeous images that come out of these magazines. Look at that. I mean, I have made so many envelopes and stuff out of these gorgeous pages. I just love these things. They're so pretty. Now, here's some vintage pages that I added. Very, very vintage book. Well, you can see even from the images how precious they are. Here's a very vintage book, full of, look at that beautiful image, full of music scores, old music scores. Look at that. So I have not counted how many pieces of ephemera and paper goods and lace goods. It is a stack. But I have weighed it, and I have decided that I am just going to add a flat shipping, US only, for $5. And anything over $5, I'll just pay it myself because I am destashing and I want to share my goodies with you. So this entire kit today is only $19 plus the shipping. So you're looking at, what is that? $24. $24 will get all of this to your house. If you are new to junk journaling, this is a great stash to get you started. If you're not new, it's just some different things. So anyway, $24, that includes the shipping. I use PayPal. And I hope to see a lot of good responses because I really am having fun putting these kits together. So anyway, message me below. You can send me a personal message on my Facebook if you want to. It's Gulf Coast Creative Corner, and I'll put all the links below. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.